So hello everyone. So these days everyone is going viral about new lenses on Snapchat. So if I just search for Snapchat, let's just explore that. So here is the filter, and then I want to search for crying. This is the crying lens, and for some people it's not loading. So for me recently it was just stuck on this phase where it's not actually loading. I don't know what was the issue about either. So as you can see it's working now, but it wasn't working before. um, so what I did is just swipe it up. uh, so swipe up Snapchat, and then open again, and then try again the filter, and then it works. Because I don't know what was the issue. Maybe because I was recording the screen the same moment, or I had so many apps open. Maybe it was some issue with my Wi-Fi. Oh yeah, but now it works pretty smooth. Maybe because I have just iPhone 7, just some older device. uh, but yeah, that's basically the the overview. So yeah, in case it doesn't work for you, just restart Snapchat. It should work after that.